I know. They're fighting. What are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it? They're fighting. And they're carrying on. What are you going to do about it? You going to be their mama? Yeah, they could use you in there. You could be their mama. You could. Look, they're fighting. Who's going to help them? Hmm? Are you going to make a good decision and take care of them? Are you? Because I don't see you making a good decision yet. There they all are. I know. Oh, they need help. Do you hear them? They need help. We're going to help them? I know it's a tough decision. It's a very tough decision. It's long and hard, the road of parenting. There they are, being all cute. They're fighting. You got anything else to say about that? I know. I know. It's a bunch of baby chicks for you. You have to make the decision. I can't make it for you.